How to edit profile name on OpenSea or your username as well. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can actually edit your profile name on OpenSea. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change or edit your profile name on OpenSea, first of all, come to the OpenSea website, which is OpenSea.io, right? I'll make sure to drop a link down below as well. Once you come to OpenSea.io, you want to navigate to your profile icon, which is at the top right hand side, and then you want to click on the option that says profile over here. Once you click on the option that says profile over here, it will ask you to connect your wallet. And once you tap on connect your wallet, first of all, just select the wallet which is connected to your OpenSea account. In my case, it's MetaMask, so I'll just select that option. Now, once I select the MetaMask option, it will ask you for a couple of other questions. Now, keep in mind that in your case, the option could be different. So in this case, I'll also just go ahead and then enter my password as well. Then I'll just hit the unlock button. And after I've done that, it will load up a new web page over here. So basically, we have to wait. And basically it will take me to a new page and automatically redirect me to my account page over here. Now once we are under the account page, you'll find all these sorts of options. Currently you can see my name is currently unnamed, so I can actually create a name or I can also change it. To do that, on the right hand side, you just need to click on the three dot icon, and then here you'll find the option called settings. Just click on settings. Once you click on the settings option, over here at the very top you'll find your username, right? So all you have to do is simply enter the new username that you want to change to, and after that just scroll down and choose the option called connect or whatever, and then to save the changes, just click on the save button over here. As you do that, you should be able to successfully change your name on OpenSea. And that's all it takes to change or edit profile name on OpenSea. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.